guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kaveri and today we're going to be making some curtain ties. This video is a part of a series of videos, so if you're watching this one, don't forget to watch other curtain tie videos as well. We'll be using macrame and braiding techniques for these ties, so you don't need any extra tools for these. Just your yarn and some beads or accessories if you like. For yarn, you can choose t-shirt yarn, cotton cords or any cords really. I'll be using t-shirt yarn for these videos. So let's begin. Take 4 strands of 1 meter each, 3 strands in one color and 1 strand in another color. Now take 2 of them and fold them into half. Tape it onto a surface or keep it under a heavy object. Or you can also grip it between a door. Take the third string and fold it, keeping one side short and one side long. Do the same with the fourth string. Make sure if the small side of the first strand lands on the right, the small side of the second strand should land on the left. And now we can just combine the small sides with our center strands and work with the longer strands on the sides. Adjust the strings if they're too tight. Don't pull your white string too tight, that is the last string that we attached. guys, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to check out my other curtain tie videos as well. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified of all my new videos. So until next time, stay safe, stay crafty.